Look, I take it back.
I gotta take a heart pill.
Yeah, that.
Here, you want this? Want this?
Sure.
Bigger.
I'm videotaping,
No,
Ma.
you're not.
Yes, I am.
Ma,
What?
is there any more of those little plates?
More
Yeah.
paper and
Can I
more
have one,
paper and
please?
more paper. Who wrapped this?
We don't know. It was just here.
You don't know who wrapped it?
Okay.
Get in it.
It just fell from the sky.
Yeah, I got home and its big monstrosity was here.
You're getting punished for that sponge cake you made Grandpa one time. Which was a real
Oh, maybe that
sponge.
came from him.
No.
I used to love making those sponge cakes. Somebody killed you, Dad.
Oh,
Hey, we got it from you.
I know.
Nancy.
Cliff, look at your mother-in-law. You need sugar. Jane, you need sugar?
It's
A
very
little bit.
delicate, huh?
Yes, very.
Oh my God.
Oh, thank you.
You keep drinking coffee, lady, while I'm struggling here. I'm not getting
My
any
problem.
more paper.
Is that upside down butter on it?
Yeah, I don't know.
I see Amazon, but I don't believe it's Amazon.
No, just go by what you always did.
Yeah.
You just had to stick in the...
Need a
She's getting
knife
your
or
sugar for you.
stab
Oh,
somebody.
okay.
I think she's getting sugar.
Cliff, who wrapped this?
He doesn't know. It was here when we got
Yeah,
here.
she showed up.
Finally.
Finally. Oh, can I put the bread in, Lee?
You sure?
When that stuff
You two are gonna get it, I swear.
What are we gonna get?
Yeah, yeah.
I was looking for you. I didn't see you.
I have
Where
a whip
were
on
you?
mine.
Right here.
You didn't see me going like this.
No.
People! I hate it!
What happened?
You know, I'm gonna give you the finger.
Hey, your grandson is there.
Well, if you don't want it, just give it back.
That's not the point. How the heck do you get in this thing?
Yeah, I wanted to show it off.
I have
It's
been
delicate. Be careful.
We'll try.
I was told
I gotta
to
make
tell
sure
you to be
this
careful.
is- And I gotta get my bracelet clean too.
Gabe?
Well, in there.
Gabe, Daniels, Lake Drive. More plastic.
Here.
No, no, no.
Stop, Mom.
She can't have any. Oh,
Please.
You people are so bad.
I didn't do
You
anything.
tried, Jay, thank you.
I'm gonna say.
Gabe, you want this honey first?
No, don't give it to me.
give it to me. Ah, Christmas. I gotta help you. I gotta help the baby.
That's what happens when
One more coaster.
probably nothing in there but a newspaper.
How did you know?
Thanks, Dad.
Oh my God.
Actually,
What,
I think
baby?
it's
Very delicate. Be careful.
Don't tell me delicate again!
Your grandson is watching you.
Don't tell me delicate again!
I think there's a lump of coal in there.
I believe it.
Is that right?
That's what I get for being punished
I do is I
enough.
mix it. I don't, I go like half full,
I should have stayed in the hospital.
Yeah, that's what I do too if I
It could be
make
from
it.
Pennsylvania.
It's too much.
Yeah, it's really,
Well, even when I go to Dunkin', I
tired.
count hazelnut.
Just give her scissors, Nancy.
No.
you know?
Whoever, they must have did it while they were drunk.
Here, that's, you got a loose spot there.
Where?
Right where your hand is.
That's loose? That's loose?
Yeah, looks loose to me.
Well. Oh my God.
It's delicate, remember?
Delicate, you're... Gabe, look what they're doing.
How was that sausage?
Oh, he's
You know,
not
yes,
gonna help
he's
you.
not responsible.
He don't care.
He's used to this
Oh,
crazy family.
That's what we are, a crazy family. Is that what you're talking about? All
I
my
didn't put it
father's
there.
fault.
you need some help, old lady?
Watch who you're calling old. Delicate, old.
Obviously, the outer box is fine.
We
It's
can
what's
see, we
inside.
can see your delicacy.
You can rip the side of a box, maybe you can.
Oh my God, somebody's talking. My nose, I can't blow my nose.
Stop messing with it
So
then.
it's dripping.
There you Catch it then. All right, there you go.
It's running out the door. Oh my
there you
God,
go.
it's delicate.
Yes,
More
that's
tape,
delicate.
more tape, more wrapping. Look at this plastic. Scotch tape.
Delicate, Ma. It's gonna be broken, but.
No. God, it takes him 20 minutes to unwrap one present as it is.
Look at him.
It's been 5 minutes and almost 6 minutes.
It's delicate.
Here, Summer, I think this is safe now. I gotta check on the dogs after. Can you
Hold that
hurry up before my dogs,
I know,
have
right?
a heartburn up there or whatever it's called? God, I wanna know what it
This
is.
is tiring. I need a nap.
I need a nap. Me too, Mom.
Friends like, family like you, who the hell needs enemies? I give up. I'm not good on a game show. Oh, this is so delicate. Thank you so much. This is just wonderful. God, you are so good to me. Oh my God.
Rip it, Ma.
I
Don't
am.
rip it. Why are you being too dainty?
You told me it's delicate.
Well, you can rip the paper.
Can't you help me, honey? What help are you? My nose hurts.
No, stop it. Stop putting your nose on it.
Oh, more paper.
You guys must have used the whole roll on that.
You're Santa Claus. Somebody dropped it from the sky.
wrap it.
I think they took it and they just kept rolling and
I
rolling
know
and
Cliff
rolling.
had something to do with this. He's been telling me to kiss the earth.
No?
Thinks I didn't
Ben
say-
kissing it.
Thinks I didn't say something else.
Yeah.
We got Gabe here, so we have to watch our language. Oh, more paper. You are so good to me. You're delicate. Oh my God. Oh,
Just throw, there you go.
yeah. Look at the paper.
All that for a pack of pens.
For a new sidewalk.
There you go. Just unroll it and keep rolling it. There you go. Now you got it.
It's delicate.
Yep, it's delicate, all right.
10 years old. No lie.
I guess I get paid back, huh? Paid back the bit.
All those sponges.
It says big smile right on the box.
Amazon.
Excuse me.
So, no, that was mine.
Look at the tape. You're getting a hot flash here.
Thank you,
Well, you're
Bob.
working yourself up.
Well, what the heck? You think you're helping me?
Thank you.
I don't think
Here.
so.
Summer, these are clean. They're just
My
here.
daddy would have had a good time with this too. Boy, you're the payback. Payback.
Payback. Oh! Summer, it came from you? Where did this come from? It was on-
Mom, I need a napkin.
Here.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, that's fine.
Here.
Doesn't
You gotta
have to
get
be
it. Hold,
like-
open that
JJ,
side.
you want to help?
There you go.
JJ. I'm so hot.
Real.
Take your coat off.
9 minutes.
What was the word?
He didn't have a nap yesterday.
He was wonderful.
He was wired.
He was real good.
Oh, you're gonna have to hang around a little more.
At least when there's a lot of people, he's not saying boo.
He doesn't dare.
Oh, he's
Did
not
you see
here.
my yellow watch to go with my yellow?
Beautiful.
Slap watch.
Did it slap you across the face?
Or slap silly or whatever you want to
You want
call
to go to
it.
Vanuna?
Oh, you wanna help? Okay.
I know it's light.
Sit. There you go.
Fragile.
Gabriel said, yes, it's fragile. Thank you.
Please, honey,
Thank
help
you.
me. me, honey.
Yeah, thank you.
Gigi is going to have a
A
stroke.
lot. I've never tried to count.
Can you get your
He's
little
got a
finger
lot of
around
molars.
that?
He's got like at least 4 molars, if not more. And then
I
he's
used
got
to
all
work
these
at a
front
packaging
You gotta be
teeth.
fair with that, Nancy.
Huh?
Mom's
Just
gonna
got
have
sore
something
in.
like that.
Bread.
The bread.
Oh. All right, I'll give her a little.
You helping?
You gotta be fair with that. You
Yeah.
gotta do enough
I need a
towards
knife.
it.
Here,
It
Mom.
kinda works.
Well, wait a minute,
No,
no,
don't mess with
not
the
next to
bread.
baby though.
Yes, I know. Sit right here, baby.
You don't know what this is? Do you know what this is?
No, I have no idea.
Okay,
I'm just sorry, I just don't trust.
good. Don't trust me because I'm delicate.
I'll go and put
Here, baby.
Put someone with a knife and she kisses the painting all the time? Nah, that's not a good combination.
No. Well, that was fun. You made me laugh.
Did you open it?
No, we're still waiting.
Oh, the dogs are barking.
Bob's opening it for me.
Oh, this whole thing fell on the
It's
floor?
delicate.
There's nothing in there.
No, but this.
You have
it's
no
on the
idea,
floor.
Jenny? Yeah, you're a big help.
Careful, you don't want to
Oh, no. No. More paper. No.
Oh, look, there's no tape. You lucky lady. It's about
Oh.
time you have a
It ran
reprieve.
out.
Cliff, Bobby, you could throw it out the door
What is
if
that?
you want.
Yeah, why not?
Look, no tape. Look, Mom, no
Look,
tape.
Mom, no hand. No training wheels. Can you believe this? Probably a bag of crap. Oh, no.
That's right though, you just saw that for a box of pens.
Oh, my God.
Santa's smiling.
It's getting down to that.
Gentle. Wanna go help Nuna? Grandma? Go ahead.
I'm Gigi.
Gigi?
Here, pull that. Thank you. Thank you, sweetheart. Pull that, because Gigi's hands are getting numb. You must have taken all the leftover parts. Good, thank you. Oh, you're such a good boy. Keep pulling. Pull, yay!
One more paper.
Looking
Keep pulling, yay! We still got more paper.
Thank you.
partially responsible for his birth.
Oh, my God. Are we going to open it?
Be gentle.
It's very delicate.
Look at him.
Hi, baby.
He's such a beautiful.
Yeah, I know. I sweep up when I'm done with them.
Thank you, baby.
How long have we been at this, Denise?
13 minutes.
He's getting tired
Oh,
of it.
You're not gonna help Gigi
In that
anymore?
time, we got the lasagna all out and ready to go.
Ah.
Oh, glad it was just pens.
More paper, Denise. Gabriel, you're not helping Gigi.
And it's taped even better than it was before.
Oh my God.
Now it looks like a loaf of bread, actually.
That's it. We're
That's
waiting for
it.
the
Yeah, I
bread.
put the bread in. Now look at Gabriel.
You're gonna help Gigi?
Yeah, go ahead, help Gigi. He put this in his lap. I was wondering.
He was hiding it under his leg. That's what he's been doing
Pull,
today.
pull,
Hiding his
pull,
stuff
pull.
under his leg.
Oh my God.
Stuffing him under
It's
his legs down.
floating.
Like,
Oh,
Hey.
God, it's like a comedy act here.
Yeah, that's the point.
Only you guys would do this to me. You will pay back. Bad.
Stay off the pavement. Watch out for the mailboxes. That's all.
Yeah, this will keep her off the street.
Yeah.
13 and a half minutes so far.
Oh,
Just
my
that
God.
might put her in the newly bin. Newly bin.
Oh, gentle. Oh, I hear it. Stop! You're gonna break it.
Break it. There's probably not a damn.
Of course there is.
Do you see it?
Gabriel wants to help.
are you enjoying yourself over there?
Oh my God. He says you gonna open it for me? Yes. Why, you know, you want to know what's in there too, huh? Where's that knife? I can't.
Ma, be gentle.
Oh, wait, how many minutes now?
15.
Yes, you want to help Gigi?
No, he's tired of it.
Him crawling towards me. Yeah.
I don't know,
Holds
Dave.
it
I
in there.
can't get it.
Oh,
Look, we're getting smart.
yeah.
Pull that. Here, honey.
Something.
Hold
Those
that
chubby
for me.
cheeks.
Oh, we're getting somewhere.
What a waste of
Are you
tape.
taping somewhere?
Anything for a laugh.
Tag.
He said, yeah.
I made, hey, Cliff, I made,
She made a film.
I made Lydia's husband a tree out of scratch-offs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The other way.
Mommy do.
Scratch-offs. I wonder how he hasn't called me. Yeah.
No.
Oh,
We
that's
don't
so
double
hot.
dip. Here.
It's not a grinder, I know that. It's too light for a grinder.
Dip here.
No
There
good.
you go.
Diet.
Huh?
A diet grinder.
Nothing.
Ooh, let me
Air.
have some of that. Yummy.
Ah! Be prepared, Gabriel, because they're gonna do this to you.
Oh, right.
I know.
I'm payback for all the years.
What?
No,
I like
my
to
mother
scrape
took
up
it and
double.
ate it. She took it from him.
Do you know what my brother used
had
to
one
do
bite.
to me? Do you know what my
Honey,
brother used to do? My brother
get
would
the
have a
regular
gift.
plates.
You
I don't
open it
care.
up. Oh, look under the bed. You go under the bed and there. Oh, you open it up. Oh, go look in the closet.
No,
Go.
eating
I must
it
have been 10
colored.
times by the time I
Here,
got
baby.
Give it to me.
Here.
Just open it.
Here.
Already.
I don't see you helping me.
That'd be a good one, putting all that into a river. You have to keep going to find out
They're
what
in
it
the
is.
basket.
Yeah, it was.
They're
It
gonna
went around
upload
the
that
whole
to
house.
YouTube,
Using
right?
the plastic.
The whole house I had.
You're gonna upload that to YouTube, right?
And he was a cartoon character, Richard.
You wanna
So it had
check
big
on the-
tongues, and
the
you had to
bread?
pick up the tongue and say, oh,
Yes, I will,
wrong
yeah.
place.
Just
Look in
asking.
this
The
back
who?
porch.
Napkins.
They're on.
And I know you're putting this all on video, so I am gonna definitely kill you.
Mom,
Yep.
Yep.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, you better. Somebody better.
Somewhere you can
Put it on
use
YouTube?
mine. Mine's full.
Don't you dare put this on YouTube.
I will.
Like Nancy.
Well, yeah, hurry up already. My dogs are probably having heart failure up there.
Mm. My fingers are stuck. Keep eating, Jay.
You had to give this to her before dinner?
Yeah, because we were waiting. We needed
Because
something.
it's delicate.
Because it's.
Don't you touch it now that we're to the end.
It's okay.
It's a. It's a. What do you call those pads? Menstrual pads.
Maxi pad?
Is that tape, Mom?
Yeah. Mom, it's delicate. Thank you for entertaining me. Here, look at
Thank you.
For entertaining me.
The entertainment, my fingers are stuck.
Mouth is still working.
Yes, my mouth is still working. Oh no! I know what it is! Do you know what it is?
What is it?
What she stole from me last night.
what she
Oh.
kept on. Give me it back. Give me it back.
I wanted it.
But I'll give it back, all right.
It's delicate, all right.
Yeah.
So you must have wrapped that last
I
night.
used it first. No, I'm just kidding.
I was looking at my dashboard saying,
That's so big, daughter of mine.
shut up, Summer.
I'm not doing it.
Everything is stuck all over everything.
Oh, it's mine again. Here, I'll help you. Let me entertain you. La 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 la.
I see, I'm starting to see the delicate. Do you know what it is? You don't know how
Well,
I
now we
want.
know.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Don't hurt me. Your nose is gonna get worse. Your nose moves shifted a little, Mom.
How many minutes?
That was
19, almost 20.
Next time, stop complaining about your dollar thing, and you can buy your own.
Oh, and I love this for my
Does that end, could you get replacement tips on that?
for the dollar chicken, baby.
No, I didn't realize that.
Now, but
Where are you?
all that,
Wow, Cliff.
all that.
All that. A bag of chips.
Oh my God, that was wonderful. It was worth